Imagine a world where the constraints of physics seem to bend to the will of a single pocket-sized device. We have watched the evolution of the drone industry for over a decade, but 2026 marks the year the ceiling is finally shattered. The whispers in the tech corridors of Silicon Valley and the leaked schematics from Shenzhen have all pointed toward one singular moment: the arrival of the DJI Mini 6 Pro. For years, the sub-250-gram category was seen as the entry-level playground, a place for hobbyists to dodge FAA regulations while sacrificing the professional-grade optics found in the heavy hitters like the Mavic series. But today, that compromise officially dies. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It is a declaration of war against the idea that size dictates power. We are looking at a machine that somehow manages to house a sensor larger than most flagship smartphones, a flight time that rivals commercial endurance drones, and an artificial intelligence brain that makes previous obstacle avoidance systems look like child's play. As we peel back the layers of what 2026 has brought us, we have to talk about the impossible sensor. For the longest time, fitting a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor into a drone that weighs less than a bag of coffee was considered a thermal nightmare. DJI didn't just solve it, they perfected it. The Mini 6 Pro features a revolutionary heat dissipation architecture where the carbon fiber frame itself acts as a passive cooling sink. This allows the drone to push 6K resolution at a buttery, smooth 60 frames per second without breaking a sweat or thermal throttling in the midsummer heat of the Nevada desert. When you look at the raw footage coming out of this beast, the dynamic range is staggering. We are talking 14 stops of light, pulling detail out of the deepest shadows of a canyon while keeping the highlights of a sunset perfectly preserved. This is the kind of performance that used to require a $5,000 rig and a Part 107 license just to carry the batteries. Now, it fits in your jacket pocket, ready to launch in under 30 seconds. The intelligence of this drone is where the Pro moniker truly earns its keep. In 2026, the Mini 6 Pro introduces what insiders are calling the Neural Pilot 3.0. This isn't just about not hitting a tree. It's about understanding the environment. The omnidirectional LiDAR system, yes, LiDAR on a mini drone, creates a real-time 3D point cloud of everything within a 50-meter radius. It doesn't just see a branch. It predicts the movement of leaves in the wind to ensure the smoothest flight path possible. If you're a solo creator filming a high-speed mountain bike chase through a dense forest, you no longer have to worry about the drone losing you or clipping a twig. The Active Track 6.0 utilizes deep learning to identify the subject's intent, repositioning the camera for cinematic, golden ratio shots automatically. It's like having a Hollywood cinematographer flying a helicopter 6 feet away from you, minus the noise and the massive payroll. And let's talk about the endurance, because this is where the industry is truly shaken. For years, the 30-minute flight time was the industry standard, but we all knew that in real-world conditions with a bit of wind, you were lucky to get 20. The Mini 6 Pro changes the chemistry, literally. Utilizing new high-energy density, solid-state battery cells, DJI has pushed the flight time to an incredible 55 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Even the standard battery, which keeps the drone under that crucial 249-gram limit for easy travel in the USA and Europe, clocks in at 42 minutes. That means more time in the air, more time to get the perfect shot, and less time frantically swapping batteries while the light is fading. Combined with the new O5 transmission system, which offers a theoretical range of 25 kilometers with near-zero latency, you can explore landscapes that were previously unreachable. The signal penetration is so robust that even in the concrete jungle of Manhattan, the feed remains crystal clear, bypassing the interference that used to plague smaller drones. But the real magic of the 2026 DJI Mini 6 Pro lies in its versatility for the modern creator. The vertical shooting mode has been redesigned with a physical 90-degree gimbal rotation that maintains full stabilization, catering perfectly to the 9/16 demands of social media, without losing a single pixel of resolution. It's the ultimate tool for the traveler, the vlogger, and the professional filmmaker who needs a stealth option for tight spaces. As we look at the pricing and the ecosystem surrounding this launch, it's clear that DJI isn't just selling a drone. They're selling a new standard of freedom. The era of carrying heavy bags and worrying about registration is over. The Mini 6 Pro is the culmination of a decade of engineering excellence, condensed into a frame that feels like the future. Stick around as we dive deeper into the specific flight tests, the low-light performance that defies logic, and why this is the only camera you might ever need to carry again. This is the 2026 drone revolution, and it starts right now.